Career opportunities and scope in health sciences. Health science is a large interdisciplinary area, including natural and behavioral science. Laboratory science lessons are combined with courses crucial for understanding population health, why individuals make unhealthy choices, and the elements beyond an individual's control that influence their health and health science degrees. Health science professors say that students in this subject should expect to take sociology, psychology, and epidemiology classes in addition to their core studies. Professors in the field note that students pursuing a degree in health science should expect to take several public health courses in addition to those in nutrition and exercise science. As a professional healthcare manager, today I will talk about your future in health sciences after getting a degree in health sciences. Let's start. What is health science? The study of medicine, nutrition, and other health-related disciplines all fall under the umbrella term health science, which is the scientific study and application of these fields. Problem solving, leadership, information literacy, and information management are highly valued by healthcare employers. A bachelor's degree in health sciences is a great way to develop these abilities while also gaining the healthcare knowledge and experience you need. Jobs and professions in the health sciences. Work in the health sciences can be found in various settings, from direct patient care to corporate offices. Graduates of health sciences programs are in an excellent position to shift laterally within the field or upward if their interests or ambitions alter, thanks to healthcare's versatility. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that between 2016 and 2031, the healthcare industry as a whole, including all of its subsectors and support services, will add 2 million new jobs. Clinical healthcare jobs. A bachelor's degree in the health sciences may be right for you if cardiovascular technician, anesthesia technician, dental hygienist, occupational therapy assistant, physical therapy assistant, respiratory therapist, surgical technician, registered health information technician, biomedical equipment technician, medical lab technician, cancer registrar, EKG technologist, audiology technician, pharmacy technician, paramedic, veterinary technician, radiation therapist, medical assistant. Non-clinical healthcare jobs. Non-clinical employment in the healthcare industry that needs in-depth knowledge of clinical practice or healthcare is open to health sciences graduates. Positions like these often fall under the umbrella of leadership or administration, and they often need some degree of coordination, supervision, or even training for those under their charge. A bachelor's degree is usually required for these positions because of this. 1. Community health worker. Communities have diverse healthcare needs, and residents may occasionally require assistance in locating appropriate resources. Community health professionals act as intermediaries between patients and the healthcare systems that serve their neighborhoods. Community health professionals often provide general health care but may also screen for conditions like high blood pressure, educate the public, and more. If you have a lot of compassion, like to listen, and know a lot about a particular community, you might be a good fit for this position. You find equal pleasure in gathering and interacting with information and people. 2. Health science writer. Publications and online resources are frequently used by those seeking out information on health and wellness. One who writes on health for publication is called a health science writer. They could be a staff writer for a single publication or a freelancer who contributes to several. The majority of the people that write about health and medicine have extensive background knowledge in the field and often have worked in a laboratory. If you have a passion for health research, writing, and editing and are interested in covering a wide range of issues, this position may be right up your alley. 3. Biostatistician. Expertise in mathematics and statistics is needed to answer many questions in medicine. Biostatisticians find answers in the medical field. Researchers plan experiments, gather and analyze data, and evaluate results to write reports that can guide health policy and practice. Biostatisticians can find employment in various settings, including government agencies, universities, and private industry. If you have an insatiable curiosity, a knack for numbers, and experience with computer and data analysis systems like statistical analysis systems, SAS, this position may be up your alley. 4. Pharmacy sales representative. Representatives in the pharmaceutical industry disseminate information to physicians regarding therapeutic options. They don't really market a drug to a doctor so much as make them aware of its presence and benefits, so that the doctor can make more educated treatment decisions for their patients. Due to the technical nature of the pharmaceutical industry, sales representatives are generally expected to have a basic understanding of science to market their products effectively. If you are driven, self-directed, interested in medicine, and enjoying social interaction, this position may be a good fit for you. 5. Substance abuse counselor. Counselors specializing in substance misuse help those whose drug or alcohol usage has become problematic. Individual or group sessions help people understand their reasons for substance abuse, how to reduce their use, and what other positive steps may be taken to foster healthy habits. If you have a passion for helping others, excellent listening skills, and compassionate nature, this position may be an excellent fit for you. 6. Patient care advocate. In order to help patients navigate the complex healthcare system, organizations employ patient care advocates, also known as healthcare advocates. They frequently deal with patients one-on-one, guiding them through diagnosis, treatment planning, and even billing and insurance problems. A healthcare facility or practice can employ advocates for patients on their own time. This position may be a good fit for you if you have experience in the medical field, a passion for helping others, and excellent communication skills. 7. Cytotechnologist. The information in a patient's cells can paint a detailed picture that aids diagnosis and treatment. To aid in making a diagnosis, cytotechnologists spend their days in labs analyzing cells under the microscope. Cytotechnologists can find employment in various settings, including medical facilities, academic institutions, and laboratories. To succeed in this position, you'll need to be able to think critically, collect and analyze data, and interpret the results. 8. Nutritionist. A dietitian is an expert in the field of nutrition. As counselors, they could meet with patients one-on-one or in groups to educate them, organize meals, and talk about what motivates certain behaviors. They may also be involved in nutrition research, where they'd analyze and evaluate different foods. A bachelor's degree is usually required for a career as a dietitian, and many employers also prefer candidates to have a master's or doctoral degree. Those who thrive in an environment where they constantly assess and resolve issues, identify client needs through close collaboration, and undertake original research may thrive in this position. Health sciences major work. The healthcare industry has become one of the most varied in recent years. A career in the health sciences can take you in numerous directions, including hospitals, clinics, physicians' offices, or other patient care facilities, medical laboratories, pharmaceutical companies, manufacturing companies, federal or state government, private agencies, consulting firms, insurance companies, nonprofit organizations. Conclusion. Despite economic downturns, the healthcare industry has consistently added jobs over the past few decades. Over the next decade, employment is projected to continue its rising trend. The U.S. population is getting older, living longer, and receiving more medical attention for chronic illnesses. Therefore, there will always be a high need for doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals. Administrators in the healthcare industry are rushing to fill a wide variety of open positions. Those in the healthcare industry who have earned their credentials would benefit significantly from the current job market. Contact me. Contact me if you want to know more information. I'm Devan Christopher Anderson. Thanks for watching.